Start.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to tell you about a legend because of whom we are living safely in our homes. And he is Lance Nayak Albert Eka. He was born in 1942 in a tribal village called Zari, which is now in Ranchi, located in Jharkhand. He belonged to the Oran tribe. In 1962, he joined the Indian Army and became part of the 14th Brigade of the Guards. During the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, Albert Akka was delayed in the Battle of the Gangasagar. The enemy had strong bunkers and machine guns, and one of them is MMG, which they were using. Our army was divided into two parts, two companies. One is Alpha Company and the other is Bravo Company. Albert Eka was leading the Bravo Company with the help of Major Kohli, and the other company, which was the Alpha Company, which was led by Lance Nayak Gulab Singh. And they started to, and firstly they need to find a way, a safe way from which they can reach the bunkers. So Albert Eka noticed that the Pakistani armies were going from the railway tracks, and he thought that it is safe because there is no landmines and they were going there safe. They were going from there safely, so they thought that it is good to go. They started to go from that area, and suddenly someone's body touched a wire, and there was a large explosion, and the fireworks started. It was so bright that the night becomes day. But suddenly Albert Eka was smart enough to notice that there was a bunker located near him and a man was there. So after the firework stopped, he suddenly ran there and killed that man. And he entered the bunker and started to kill the soldiers. But in that hurry, he got shot on his arm. But still, he didn't stop. He killed everyone inside that bunker, and he started to move further. And he also destroyed so many bunkers. And again, he got shot in his neck. And he fall because of the impact of the gun. But still, he stand up and he started to fight again, but he noticed that there is a bunker in which there is a gun named MMG is located, and that gun is killing most of the Indian army, and it is getting heavy on us. So he started to scroll there. He started to scroll like a cat and went there, and suddenly he opened a grenade from his mouth and threw it inside that bunker, and there was a large explosion and some people died, but still some were alive and the gun was still working. So he stand up and jumped inside that bunker and started to kill the left people with his gun. And after killing everyone, he saw that the gun is stopped. He felt very proud that now he has done something for his country. He was happy and he was coming out from his bunker. Suddenly his body fell limp and he fell. And this thing was seen by the Lieutenant Kohli from 10 seats away. He saw that how this man fought bravely and how he died. Because when Albert Eka joined the army, he saw that this man never made his focus on his appearance. He used to wear whatever he get, loose, tight, nothing. His belt was always loose, and he used to thought that this man is so lazy. He doesn't focus on his appearance, but now he understood that the physical appearance is not important. I have learned so many things from him, and he is my role model, and I hope you will surely sorry, and I hope you will surely learn something from him. The first thing which I learned from him is that selfless service, doing what's right even when no one is watching you, and resilience to keep going even when things get tough. these are the things which he taught me, and I am trying to apply this in my daily life. Is it my classroom or my neighbor or my home? I try to become like him because he is a legend, he is a hero. Thank you.
Okay.